If you want to learn how to do face or body tracking in a video in CapCut, you're in the right place. In this quick tutorial, I'll show you exactly how to upload your footage, turn on tracking, and let CapCut analyze your video so you can follow a face or body with ease. This is really useful for adding captions, stickers, effects, or graphics that move along with your subject, and it can save you a lot of editing time. If this video helps you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more simple CapCut tutorials. Let's jump in. First, open CapCut and start a new project. Then upload the video clip you want to work with and drag it down onto your timeline. Make sure your footage is already placed on the timeline before you look for the tracking options, because CapCut needs the clip selected in order to apply the effect properly. Once your clip is on the timeline, click on the video and look over to the right side panel. This is where CapCut keeps most of the editing controls for your selected clip. In the right panel, click on the Video tab. After that, go to the Basics section. If you do not see camera tracking right away, scroll down a little until you find it. When you see camera tracking, check the box to activate it. CapCut will then give you the option to choose what kind of tracking you want. Select Face if you want CapCut to follow a person's face, or select Body if you want it to track the full body movement instead. Choose the option that best matches your footage and what you're trying to animate or attach to the subject. After selecting face or body, click Start. CapCut will begin analyzing the video automatically. Depending on the length and complexity of your clip, this may take a moment, so give it a little time to process. Once the analysis is finished, CapCut will have tracking data ready for your project, which you can use to keep your elements aligned with the person in the video. From here, you can continue editing your project and add whatever visual element you want to follow the tracked motion. This could be text, an image, a sticker, or any other overlay you want to keep connected to the subject. The tracking feature makes your edits look much more professional and dynamic without needing to manually keyframe everything frame by frame. And that's it. You've now learned how to do face or body tracking in a video in CapCut by uploading your footage, opening the Video tab, finding camera tracking, selecting face or body, and clicking Start to analyze the clip. If this tutorial helped, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more CapCut tips, editing tricks, and beginner-friendly walkthroughs. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.